In today's module, we are going to make the two types of adjusting solution. That is the pH adjusting solution to either increase or decrease the pH level of your final formulation. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, you're so welcome. This is where you get to learn how to formulate skincare products like a pro, either for commercial purpose or for your own personal use. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and also share, like, and comment. Okay, so welcome to my workspace. All the tools we'll be using here have been sterilized and my workspace has been disinfected using isopropyl alcohol, or what we call rubbing alcohol. You should do the same while formulating yours too. Okay, so you should always exhibit DMP, that is good manufacturing practice. If you want to know more about DMP, please visit our previous video or click the link showing on the screen right now. I will also put it in the description box. In our previous video, we talked about pH and the interaction with skincare formulation. If you have not watched the video as well, please click the link showing on the screen right now to take you there, or check the description box for the link also, so you can understand where we are coming from and what we are about to do in this video. So now we are going to start by making the first adjusting solution, which is sodium hydroxide solution. You can also call it caustic soda or lye solution. This solution is used to increase the pH level of your final formulation or final product. So you can either use sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, but in this video we're going to be using sodium hydroxide. To make this adjusting solution, it requires 90-10 ratio, that is 90% distilled water and 10% sodium hydroxide. So that means we're going to measure out 90 grams of distilled water and 10 grams of sodium hydroxide to make 100 grams of this solution. So make sure you are working in a well ventilated environment, because caustic soda can be so corrosive. And another thing, please do not add water into lye. Do not add water into lye. Instead, you add lye into water to avoid bad chemical reaction. All right guys, so let's go. We're going to measure out our distilled water first. Make sure you set it. After placing container or your measuring scale, press the tar to reset it back to 0. So, and it's on gram because we are measuring out our ingredients in grams, so it's on gram. Now let's measure out 90%, so that is 90 grams of our distilled water. This is 90 grams of our distilled water. We'll place it in one side, then we'll measure out our lye powder. 10 grams of our lye powder. Please, like I said, be careful when measuring out your caustic or lye powder. It can be corrosive or it can be shocking as well. So 10 grams. So I'm going to place this aside. Then we'll add together. So this is our 10 grams of lye powder or sodium hydroxide. This is the 10 grams, and this is 90 grams of our distilled water. Please make sure you are using distilled water. Don't use any other water. Distilled water or deionized water. So let's add it together. So you're going to give it a stir gently. Don't let it spill on your skin, please. Now you notice it will start getting hot. It will start getting hot and it will start filming. There's nothing to worry about. It's the chemical reaction of pouring sodium hydroxide into water. So it's going to get hot. Yes, it's hot now. You can feel it's very hot. So if you want to use this adjusting solution, you have to place it somewhere to get cool before you can add it into whatever you want to add, into whatever you want to adjust. So because it's hot, very hot, so you have to leave it to get cool and dissolve completely. So as it is getting dissolved, it will settle down. It will stop filming and settle down. So this is how to make your sodium hydroxide solution to increase the pH of your final product if it's below 4.0. So guys, this is it. It has stopped filming and it has cooled down. As you can see, I've transferred it into a safe container, and this can be used within a month. Afterward, you can discard and make a fresh solution. Okay guys, we're going to make the other adjusting solution in our next module. See you then. Be safe and bye.